Good evening, Mr. Tarno, your welding instructor. You made a great decision on your choice of welding trade. You'll learn skills that will last a lifetime. In order to do that, though, you'll need to be here and be ready. You'll need to be on time. You'll need to work hard and meet deadlines by turning in your assignments. We're going to give you the best education as possible under the circumstances we're in by online learning and also some shop work if you're here. I look forward to seeing you and meeting you in person very soon. Wish you well for the school year.